If you're a professional video creator for content on social media, then this video is definitely not for you. But if you're an amateur like me and you don't know what tool to use, what if you use Zoom to create videos? I'm going to show you next. All right, so here's my Zoom client. And if you look at the very top of my navigation bar, you're going to see a clips icon. Click that. Clips is a new tool in Zoom that allows you basically to record videos to share with maybe customers or external partners or really whoever you want. And it's really simple to use. All you do is record a clip and you're done. It's a little more complicated than that. Let's dive into it. And it's really straightforward on how to use it. There's 3 different choices up here. I can record a brand new clip. I can use AI avatars to record my clip, or I can upload an existing video. We're going to start on the left. So once I click record a clip, 2 windows pop open. One, this is my video that I'm going to record. This is my workspace. And 2 is the settings on the right side. So by default, I have my speaker set, my camera set, and auto resolution at 1080p. But there's also advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. I can also use virtual backgrounds and avatars on my recording. This one's on blur, for example. I actually don't want a virtual background, so I'm going to click none. You can also mirror your video, as well as if you have a green screen and you want to use that, do that as well. If you want to use avatars to create your video, you're more than welcome to do that. Here's an avatar of me looking like a professor. I'm not going to use it, but you can. You can also design your own avatars over here, or you can use any animals that are default, but play with it and have fun. What other settings are there? I can also touch up my appearance, take those blemishes away. I can really crank it up here. Ooh, that looks fake. But yeah, play with that as well. Or you can adjust for low light. My lighting's fine, so I'm not going to play with it. I can mirror my video if I'd like. Look at that, mirror. I can also turn on noise suppression should I want to. I can also have stereo audio, and I can also share my computer sound in case I want to play a music clip or something like that. Okay, those are all the settings to set for my video. Now I'm ready to hit record. So just start recording. So now we're recording, and it looks very similar to just a Zoom meeting. We're just recording the video straight to my Zoom client. And if I want to do a demo of something, I can also share my desktop or a document inside this recording. So look, I can share my desktop, number 1 or number 2 or number 3, in case I wanted to do a demo for a customer or a partner. I can share applications. I can share a portion of my screen. Yeah, do whatever you want in your video. It's yours. Okay, now we've recorded your video, and now you just want to stop it and go to the next stage of video creation. Just hit stop. I'm going to put my glasses on for this next part. Okay, now that the video is recorded, it's actually going to process in the background. We have some things that we can do to it. Once your video is done and you want to share it with somebody, people that are watching the video can actually comment on the right side here in the comment section. Great video, Patrick. You can also get a full transcript of your recording, and people can read along while they're watching the video. AI Companion is actually going to generate chapters on this video. We're going to come back to this a little bit later once AI Companion is done generating those and see what they look like. Once you share the video, you'll be able to see stats on it, like how many times it was played, the total reactions, total comments, and completion rate of how long people watch the video. If you go all the way to the right side, here is where you can edit what your video looks like. So let's go to edit basic information. We can change the thumbnail here. Let's upload a new thumbnail. We choose a picture from my desktop, and we'll just choose a headshot here. So now that's a thumbnail. When I share the video, people are going to see. You can upload a picture of yourself like I just did, or design your own thumbnail in Canva, for example. We'll set that as a thumbnail. We can give this a title like Zoom Clip Demo, name it a description, whatever you like, and you can tag it with whatever you want. All right, we're done with that. We can even add call to action buttons right here. So we'll add my link to LinkedIn and subscribe today. Then we can change the location of it. I'm going to put it on the top right here. You can change the colors or the text color or the button shape. So do whatever you want to do. Hit add, done there. Let's go to the settings, see what happens there. Here we're going to allow everybody to leave a comment. You can take that off if you'd like. And you could also allow them to see the transcript. You can also custom brand your video as well. So say I wanted it green. It's going to display a little green border around there. I'm going to have a green background in there. Or I can actually upload any logo I'd like. So let's upload a new logo. We'll do this logo here. And see on the top left-hand part of the side of the screen, there's the logo right there. All right, you're all done. And there's also the ability to trim the video. Should you have some empty space at the beginning or end, you can just trim that out. So now here's my video I just did and ready to share. I can just copy the link and send it in email or chat to whoever I want. And if you need to do some even more advanced editing, you can actually go to the ellipsis, download this clip, and then upload it to your favorite video editor. So that's the basics of Zoom Clips. I hope you learned something today. I'm Patrick Kelly, the Tattooed Nerd. Now I have to go check on the brisket. I'm still rolling. All right. Well, I'm going to go check on the brisket. Why? Because it's been on there for like 6 hours, and that's what I'm making today. I'm by myself. My wife and kids are in Florida for the week. So I'm living the bachelor life and cooking manly things like brisket and mac and cheese today. Might even have a buddy over to drink some whiskey. Who knows? The world's my oyster.